Okay, today we're looking at a 2014 Nissan Sentra SV. It's got 66,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. It's aspen white in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the nice chrome door handles. Driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. Rear of the vehicle looks good too. Make our way down the passenger side here. Everything looks really good on the exterior of the Sentra. It's a 2014. It's got 66,000 miles, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows. Got your power mirrors over here. Okay, got your econ button down here, sport mode. All right, it's got black cloth. Kind of like a granite mixed with some gray in there, kind of a patterned insert there. But they are cloth seats. Driver's seat's in good shape. Does come with a keyless entry key fob. Passenger seat looks good. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your climate control area here. AM, FM, CD player here. Okay, it does have cruise control, and it also has audio steering wheel audio controls. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 66,543 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the AM, FM, CD player. Okay, and once again, we do have the climate controls here. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems at all there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet back here looks good. Back seat cloth is also in good shape. Alright, does have the center console that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Does have the, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at the trunk space. Carpet back here is nice and clean. Actually a good bit of room back here in the Sentra. Your spare tire and jack there. Okay. Take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch steel wheels. Alright, it's got the nice plastic hubcaps on there. Brand new set of tires. Alright, you can still see the writing on them. Alright, just to recap, it's a 2014 Nissan Sentra SV, 66,000 miles, clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.